So Abhishek Singh moving to the baseline. And he gets the ball, drives and lays it in. Saurabh, shot clock running down here. He kicks out and he pulls up from the mid-range. And he drives in. And he gets the layup. And Kessie kicks out to Bijay and he pulls up. And nothing. So first attempt. He converts. For the second shot. He kicks out to Nikesh. He fakes. He pulls up from the mid-range. And he makes. And he pulls up. And converts the long. Ajay. He pulls up from the perimeter. And he converts from the down. Quick push. Saurabh here. Nikane Ramro. No look past the in. And he gets the layup. Again, no Dipson. To Norbu. Handing off to Bijay. And he pulls up. And he converts. Transition ma. Dipson Kessie. The kick out to Norbu. He fakes. A cross-court pass there. A good ball movement. Dipson to Bijay Burza. And he pulls up again. And again, nothing. Singh. He turns around. He fades away. And he converts. And there's off the ball. 2 minutes now. Rajiv Joshi to Abhishek Singh. He pulls up from the perimeter. And now he converts. A good hang time there. तर convert यहाँ हुन सकेन. र fast break मा the Bijay Burza getting that open layup. Dipson Kessie transition मा राम्रो पास यहाँ नोर्बुलाई. And he is not able to convert यहाँ transition मा अहिले GGIC. But now they get set. Abhishek Singh from the downtown. Dive हान्दै त्यहाँ. Rips. Sudeep Paudel steps back. And Paresh. And Saurabh Shrestha. And now he converts on the free throw line. Showing the horn play. Nikesh kicks out. Sudeep. He pulls off from the mid-range. And he driving in. And he converts. And he gets it. Raya transition maile Golden Gate. And Nikesh pass to Sudeep. So Ajay Kushwaha for the 2 bonus shots. He converts. Saurabh. Simon, he pulls up. And he converts. अब fast break बन्ने वाले यहाँ GGIC को Abhishek Singh. So Pemba substituted by Dipson Kessie. Ajay. He makes the first. He converts the second. Ajay on the pen. He pulls up and he open 3-pointer. Transition Maile. Hounds. Simon Gurung. And he gets the layup. Shot. Vikas Gurung. Open 3-pointer. And he converts. Popularly known as VR. Dipson Kessie. And he converts. Fast break, the transition. But the way it was on sportsmanship foul. राम्रो पास त्यहाँ विजय बुर्जाको feeding to Sudeep. अहिले यहाँ drive pull up तर yes र यहाँ निकै नै राम्रो लेफ्ट ह्यान्डेड
खेलकुद निकायहरू उहाँहरूले पनि चाहिँ यस्तो लिगहरू चाहिँ आफू पनि अर्गनाइज गर्ने बनाउँदाखेरि चाहिँ अझै बेटर हुन्छ प्लेयरहरू पनि अपकमिङ स्टारहरू पनि अझै बाहिरबाट पनि भेटिन्छन्
विजय बुर्जा kicking out to Simon. He pulls up from the mid range and he र यहाँ open, he finds the open man there. Norbu Gurung. So Sujal को यो Gurung बल अगाडि बढाउँदै So Saurabh pulling up from the perimeter and he र यहाँ अझै कुशवा गर्नुहुन्छ। त्यहाँ चाहिँ यो बास्केटबलको इभेन्टहरूलाई कसले
के भएर अनि दिपेश कटवाल भन्ने भाइ छ, हामी तिनजना भएर चाहिँ एकदमै यो हाम्रो बास्केटबल चाहिँ उतापट्टि एकदमै
नगरमा गेमहरू भइरहन्छ। अब जस्तै पूर्वमा झापाले गरिरहेको हुन्छ, ढर्ने छ, त्यसलाई पनि केही गर्ने कि अब फ्युचरमा केही यस्तो प्लान केही छ कि?
हजुर एकदमै ठ्याक्कै अघि +2 लेभलसम्मको चाहिँ होम एन्ड अवे फर्मेटमा गराउन सक्यो भने।
र अहिले अभिषेक सिंह अन द फ्री थ्रो लाइन फर द लिड एन्ड ही for the second, he converts to Norbu. Paresh Shrestha to Vijay Burza. He pulls up and he drills the three. Still Sudeep. A good pass there. Ajay going for double team. Norbu. Ryan ki hustle and Vijay Burza. Sorry, Dipson.
7th र 8th खेल्दाखेरि चाहिँ एकदमै भनौँ न अब एउटा लाइफ टाइम एक्सपिरियन्स पनि हुन्छ जबसम्म इन्जुरी हुँदैन प्लेयरलाई।
Hounds finding the Paresh Shrestha. And I'm really sorry for this spilling the tea here. Nikesh Magar. Rebound, a quick outlet. Abhishek Singh driving in. And he gets the shot. Saurav Shrestha. He converts. Player somebody ki tapaile khelnu bhayo. त्यो बेलाको यहाँको हाम्रो नेपाल
र ट्रेनिङ रेगुलर लिएको खण्डमा मैले अहिले पहिलेको भन्दा अहिलेको प्लेयरहरूमा चाहिँ भास्ट डिफरेन्स पाइरहेको।
गुड ह्यान्ड्स तर अभिषेक सिंह इज ओपन र यहाँ अफेन्सिभ बोर्ड अजय कुशवा ही कन्भर्ट ड्राइभिङ इन ही स्पिन्स फेक्स स्टेप शूज passes to Norbu and he converts driving in and he gets the layup अझै पनि गोल्डन गेटको अभिषेक सिंह and that's the बल अगाडि बढाउँदै and he converts so Ajay he converts Dipson and what a move there so Vijay Burza for 3 shots really in rush the fall was not necessary hope he misses the free throw but they just have to raise the hand and the game is not over yet he converts so again they want to make the fall to stop timeout and resume the game from front court until it's all over yeah Dipson he's open there and he gets it seconds 2-point game they will commit the fall here for sure तर यहाँ Nikesh he converts